Hello lovely people, good evening to everyone. This is Akpeje's kitchen. Today I'm making some delicious smoketed chicken. So let's make this together. So I'll put my pot on fire, then I'll pour oil inside. I'm using used oil. I use it to fry chicken before. So I'm using chicken breast, chicken wings. That's my flour I'll be using to smoke the chicken. I'm using 1 onion, 1 green pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic. So I season this chicken with salt and garlic. I just taste the oil if it's hot. Yes, it's hot, it's ready to go. So I'm putting my chicken breast inside the flour. Then I'll cover it and try to mix the flour with the chicken. So now I'll start by smoking this chicken. So this chicken, we are not cooking it to be cooked, we are just making it to be brown. So we cook it halfway. So the first part is cooked. I'm trying to get the second part to brown. So while the chicken breast is getting brown, let me start putting the chicken wings inside the flour. So I'll shake this one too and let the flour to go on the chicken. So let me remove the boneless chicken from the oil and start smoking the chicken wings. Guys, did you try this soup before? If no, try to make it and try it. It's very sweet. I will not lie to you. Try it and let me know how you see it at the comment section. I will be very happy if you try this and let me know at the comment section. So the oil is too much, so I just pour some inside the bowl. Then I'll put the pot on fire and start frying my vegetables: onion, garlic, green pepper, and then my celery. So I'll fry this like 2 minutes. So now it's time to add water to the vegetables. So you add water according to the plentiness of your chicken, the water that can cook your chicken. Make sure the water cover the chicken. So I'll start by putting my chicken inside the vegetable water. Just like this, then I'll cover it to cook like 20 minutes. Make sure the fire is low. 20 minutes later, I'm coming to stir it gently. Stir it gently so that you will not scatter your chicken inside pieces inside the soup. So I'll cover it again and go and come back. So now I am back to season it. I'll just use some salt or seasoning salt to season this soup. So I'll mix it and taste it if the salt is okay for me. So you want to put salt according to your taste. Good. It's okay. So for you to know if this chicken is ready or the soup is ready, you just try to use your spoon to break the chicken. If the chicken is removing from the bones, then you know that it's ready, just like this. Can you see that? So now it's ready. I'll just cover it for some 2 minutes, then I'll come and off the fire. So this is how it look like. How did you see this soup? It's actually looking like peanut soup. Am I lying? Yeah, if you see it, it's like peanut soup, but it is not peanut soup. This is smoked chicken, and trust me guys, it's very very sweet, delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me your name and where you are watching from. I'll appreciate it. And to see you in my next video.